Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Lawson. I'm calling from Chilacom Global Consult. I'm going to be your host for today. Today we are going to be learning
Quickbook. Quickbook is a tool for recording financial transactions. It's a book for recording financial transactions. Remember last time we discussed so much on creating customers, vendors, and people entering transactions. I walk us through the different aspects of the tax bar, the file, the edit, the view, the list. So we want to be perfect in the use of Quickbook. It calls for installation of the application. When you install this application and you continuously use it, you will see a lot of places to explore and then to improve yourself. So one is to guide you so that you can have an understanding of how to use a Quickbook. But the onus lies on you to practice using the application, practice, and then you become perfect. That is why people like us, our company is available for training and for guiding individuals and students who are ready to go all the line to becoming a master of their game. Let's briefly look at reports. We have key in some data. Now I want to look at reports. There are different ways you can look at your reports. Let's look at the report from the financial angle, company and finances. Here you can look at your P&L, profit and loss. You can also look at your balance sheet. And you know that these days P&L is called a statement of financial performance, while that of balance sheet is now called statement of financial position. So you can also look at customers and their receivables. See the ages, the one that are long overdue. You can also look at your sales activities. You can look at your sales by customer summary, sales by. So reports is basically when you have entered transactions. You can use this one to track job profitability, time taken to execute that job, materials that have gone into that job, and the mileage. So this is great for managing records. Vendors payable, people that you are yet to pay. You can bring out vendors that their money is due for payment. You can also see reports on employee and payroll. So this Quickbook is robust, very very robust. Can tell you this is very robust. So you can even look at your trial balance under the account and taxes. Look at your trial balance. You can look at general ledgers, and that is, you can also look at audit trail. For instance, let's look at this trial balance now. Let's look at this trial balance. You under where do you find trial balance is in accountant and taxes. You come to trial balance or adjusted trial balance. You can click on trial balance here. You see, you come up like this, and you can see the date it filtered. The date it filtered is from January, from 1st of April to 30th of April. So we can take it back. That's okay. Let it be from March, from 1st of March, from 1st of March to 20th of May. Today is 20. The 20th of May. 20th of May. Today is 20th of May. So for you to get the real trial balance now, you have to refresh the page. Click on refresh. Refresh the page. Refresh the page. Okay. You can see your trial balance now. This is a Fidelity Bank undeposited fund. These are funds that were customer paid for because then there was no bank account yet to warehouse this money. So we can remove this money from undeposited fund. You can just, as this arrow changes to this zone, you double click it, and then remove the undeposited fund from the undeposited account. Okay, so you still have 120,000, which is still undeposited fund. You double click it here from the store here, double click it, and then you select the bank to which you want to deposit this fund. So see, it's undeposited fund. So now deposit this money inside the bank. Let's deposit it in Wema Bank. Let's keep it in Wema Bank. Wema Bank. Wema Bank here. Wema Bank. Okay. Wema Bank. So all you need to do is to save and close. Save and close. Save and close. You have changed the transactions. Do you want to record your changes? Yes. I want to record my changes. Yes. Okay. Yes. So it's recorded that transaction. Now you will see data that affect this report has changed. Do you want to refresh the report? That is, create it again. Refreshing can be slow, but it adjusts the report to reflect the latest changes. If you do not refresh the report now, the report may be inaccurate. Okay, let's refresh. Yes, refresh it so that all we have done will take effect. You can see the 120,000 has gone out from the undeposited fund. Now when we close this and get back to the trial balance, we'll see that 120 in Wema Bank. In Wema Bank. Okay, let's close this. Let's close this. Let's close this. Okay. Our yourself. Now memorize this report. Let's memorize this report. Just memorize this report. So now you see that these transactions will appear. Okay, let's go back to the that I just definitely close. Let's go back to the report. Account and taxes. Trial balance. Okay. Trial balance. Select trial balance. Okay. We have to refresh. We have to select the date. Select the date. From March. Let's see, from March now. From March. 1st of March. 1st of March. To 20th of 20th of 20th of May. Okay. 20th of May. 20th of May. Okay, refresh. Fresh. Let's see what my bank now has there. 120,000. So that is how we have removed this. So this accessories is sales that we have made. Now let's go out of this. Let's go out of this trial balance and go to create inventory item. Okay. Let's create inventory item. Let's create inventory item. No need to memorize this. Just close. Just close. Just close. Now let's maintain some items like inventory item. Let's go back here. Here. Let's also sell books. Books. Now, under this inventory, you can come down here. Down here, you see where there's written items. Click on that button, and you click on new. Add new item. New, want to click new. You can edit item here. You can duplicate item. That is, if you have different locations where these items are, you can put some in batch A and some in batch B. So let's have new item here. We have let's create books. Is for inventory item, inventory part, inventory part. Okay. So item name books. Let's say books, long notebooks, long notes, books. Long notebooks. So we don't want to put it as a sub item. So to remind them, The part name will also be books. Long notebook. Long notebooks. Okay. This item is used in assembly or is purchased for a specific customer job. Once you check this box, it will automatically take you to assigning this item to a specific customer, to not make it a general item for stock sale. Description: long notebook, so that we cannot lose track. Long notebook. Long notebook. Okay. What is the price? The price should be, the buying price is let's say 500. Buying price is 1,400. 1,400 naira, that is the buying price. So which account should this impact? Let's use should impact accessories. Part of, we can create stationery in the chart of account. We can create stationery, but there's no stationery here, so we can decide to say new and create stationery. Okay, let us create new here. Add new under income. Under income, yes, it's under income. Account name, stationery. Stationery. Okay. Stationery and gift. Gift. Stationery and gift. So repeat the same thing here. Stationery and gift. Okay. Okay. So save. Save and close. So we now have a stationery and gift. It's okay. Then we'll okay this transaction. Okay this transaction. Okay this transaction. The long notebook has been created. You can see the long notebook here. So this is the cost price. This is the cost price. So you have there now. But let's close this now. Let's make a sale. There are two types of sales. You can either make sales cash, or before we can make sales, we have to buy notebooks first. Let's enter bills for notebook. Enter bill. Who is selling this notebook? Let's enter bill, so that we can have notebook as part of stock that we are maintaining now. So enter who do we buy from? Let's select the date. The date here can be, let's go to date here can be May 13. Okay, May 13. So we can choose a reference. Once you select the date of transaction, it will also automatically tell you be due, the time it will be due. It's telling you that it's going to be due on the 23rd of May, right? Now let us check reference. Assuming we collected receipts that comes with the notebooks. This is where you impute it, reference number. Okay. So who should we buy from? Because we might have maintained a vendor before you can come to this place. If you have not created vendor, you can create new one while you are here. So let's look at already existing vendor. So let's buy from Kenneth. Okay. So how many I will buy? Let's buy from Kenneth. How many I will buy? Oh, this is not what I want. Let's take item because it's already in expense account. Let's take for item. Once you select this item, then items will pop up. So let's check this. Okay, long notebooks. So let's buy long notebook from this guy. Long notebook. Okay. The item is associated with an e-com account. Do you want to continue? Yes. Do not display this message. Yeah. Okay. So make a purchase. How many should we buy? Let's buy 100. Sorry. Let's buy 100. Let's buy 100. Why can't give us a page to raise the figure? Okay. Save and close. Okay, save and close. Okay, let's see from this side. Let's see from here. Okay, let's close this. See the transaction. Okay. Let's mix it say now cash sales. Cash sales. Cash sales. So who is the customer I'm selling to? I'm selling to Patrick. Selling to Patrick. sell it to Patrick. No, I don't want to sort. I want to sort. Okay, let's sell it to Patrick. Okay, let's sell to Patrick. You can type Patrick here. You should select. Okay, you come down here. Long notebook. Okay, select. Okay, how many quantities? Buy 20. Yeah, sell it for 34. Sell it for 34. Sell it for 34. Three, four, 3,400. Okay. So save now. Okay, did we select the bank? The bank to be deposited? Oh, I'm not sure. Okay, yes, bank was selected. Good. Yes. So let's look at the report. Let's look at the report. Let's look at the report, the way it looks like. Look at the report. Okay, we can go look at the report from here. Look at the report from here. Okay, reports from here. Accountant and taxes. Okay. Accountant and taxes. Okay, from that period to date 20th of May. 20th of May. Refresh. Okay. Because the account payable has been created, because we have not paid this guy, so our money has been received into Fidelity Bank and sales has increased for accessories. Okay, so now we can export this transaction to Excel by clicking here. click this Excel. I export it to Excel. Create new Excel. So that's this one will go to Excel for that analysis. Same thing, you can export your P&L to Excel. Okay. So you can export it to Excel. You can email it. Export. Okay. You automatically export this trial balance to Excel, where you can further work on it or do some reconciliation. So this is where we'll stop today. Next time we are going to lay our hands on Excel. Let's practice Excel now. So anybody who is interested in Quickbook installation, want one-on-one tutorial, you can write your comment on the comment section, so that we can take it off from there. So we look forward to having a business relationship with you, and then you can learn from our company. We are ready, we are there for you. So thank you. Have a very beautiful day. Thank you very much. So the Excel is coming up, and this is how it looks. It will show now. So with a Quickbook, you can really achieve a lot stress-free. Or like when you are using Excel, when you want to generate a report, you will have to arrange and edit before you can come up with a final report. But with Quickbook, everything has been automated. You can move from one particular platform to another, one class of account to another. Once you enter a particular transaction, it automatically updates the other aspect of the account. So thank you. The system is slow, it's still loading, but this is where we stop for the day. Thank you. See you next time.
Alright, that will be all for this video. If you enjoy it or have questions, please drop a comment at the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then ring the bell. Thank you.